Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today we're going to look at the definition of other current liabilities. As I do in each one of these fundamental analysis tutorial videos, I'll give you the actual definition and then we'll go on to look at an example. Other current liabilities is a balance sheet entry used by companies to group together current liabilities which are not assigned to common current liabilities such as debt obligations or accounts payable. Now let's look at an example. For this example, we're looking at the balance sheet for Walmart Stores Incorporated, ticker symbol is WMT. Obviously, other current liabilities would simply be down in the liability section, so we move down to the liability section. Under the current liabilities section, meaning any item that's due to be paid within the next 12 months, and you would find other current liabilities. Oftentimes on the balance sheet, you will find the word other. Here, and I can show you in other places as well. Other liabilities here. These are long-term and these are short-term. Other current liabilities are going to be a group that's going to could be multiple different things that are in that little category. Basically, if it doesn't fit in accounts payable or it doesn't fit in the long-term debt, it would go into this section here. And again, whatever is going to be in that category would vary depending on the company that you're looking at. So an investor would actually go look at the company's 10K or the company's annual report and look at the notes regarding the other current liabilities section, and they would tell you exactly what is in there. The different items that could be there could include any dividends the company plans on paying out over the next year. Then obviously that money would have to be set aside and be showing there. Many different things go in here. Again, something you'd have to look into. Anytime you see the word other, it's something you're going to have to go dig into the notes to see what is exactly in there. In most cases, you will find that other current liability doesn't really amount to all that much, and it's actually down from the previous year. It's 47 million, now it's 26 million. It's not a huge amount of money, but different companies may have different scenarios when different items that are going to be in there, and you may see some large numbers show up. And then, of course, you would definitely want to go look into the notes regarding the other current liabilities to see what is actually coming due, or what may be showing up here. This could be, like I said, many different things depending on the companies, but common situations would include sales tax payable, things like that. So look into it, see what it is, and as long as it's normal, everyday stuff, that's fine. But if you find something in there you don't really think should be going there, or maybe something hidden or being skirted or something, then check it out. But otherwise, don't worry too much about it. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.